All right, guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man, Jay Will. So a while back, Ghostek actually sent me all these cases for review when I still had my Galaxy S9, but they sent them a little too late. I didn't get these until after I had already switched to using the Galaxy S9. So I'm still going to open these up for you and show you each case and show you what you're getting and just kind of go through these for you. So this is the Atomic Slim Ghostek case. Let's check this out. Their packaging is off the charts. They got really good packaging for just a case. And I'm not saying I won't get the phone again. You know, I can get what I want. But here's the case. This is actually a metal frame around here. Wow, this is actually really nice. Wow. And this is glass. Oh, it's plastic. I thought it was glass. I was gonna say wow, but this is actually a metal. It's cold to the touch too. So this is a metal frame around here. Really nice, clear case. Got some Ghostek branding right there. But you've got all your ports and everything that will line up. That's really nice, man. This is nice, man. A metal. Wow, that's crazy. So let's put that off to the side. Now let's move on to this one here. This is the Cloak 3. I'll show you what this one looks like. So they got a clear and silver version here. They all come with these little thank you cards. Here's this one here. This is really plastic, real silicone. This is a soft plastic and it's a hard plastic. But the Cloak 3, they have some kind of little branding here. This is textured around here, so it gives you a little bit of grip. And you've got more branding right here as well. And that's just a clear case. These come in different colors too. Next one here, the Nautical 2. This is going to be another clear case. This is, oh man, this is a beautiful color. The lime green, folks, the lime green. This is a bigger, bulkier case, as you can see here. This one probably does it come with a tempered glass with this one? No, just a screen protector. Has a little lanyard inside. But this is a waterproof case right here because it seals up. You can see the seal around there. You drop your phone in here and it's waterproof. Even though the Galaxy S9 is already water resistant, this is a waterproofing case. Because you can see all the ports of all these cases. I really like this one. It's bulkier, but that lime green does it for me, folks. All the ports and everything will line up. I really like this. This is all covered too, by the way. Thin plastic in here for your fingerprint reader. It will work. And then you've got your ports here to cover this up with little several layers there. So this is their waterproofing case. Yeah, this is a nice one. That is really nice. This is the Executive C2. Yeah, as you can see why they call it the Exec C2. Get this open here. And this one kind of has a leather feel to it. Lots of protection in here. Got a spot back here for a credit card, ID, and everything. Really nice. It's got Exec on the side right there. It's kind of a plastic, kind of a hard plastic TPU. Lots of grip on that. Soft touch on the sides. Really nice. Bumpy cam. And the last one here is a clear case, cover T2. This is nice and simple to show off your device, show it off. Yes, unfortunately I switched to the S9s. I bought a blue one and a purple one. So I didn't get a chance to do a fitting for you guys, but this is oh man, this one is really nice. Wow. This one is actually really nice. Lots of grip on the sides, on the back. This is a clear TPU case with bumper corner protection. All of them have a nice subtle Ghostek branding on there. Grip all in the inside, man. This one even has a little Ghostek right there. So there you go, folks. Again, I don't normally do case reviews without the devices, but I did get rid of my S9 Plus in favor of the smaller S9, and I had a blue one and a I was gonna say orchid lilac case here, but maybe you'll see the S9 Plus again, because I have tons of cases for them. And all these cases here, if you were going to buy one of these, which one would you buy? Maybe there could be some giveaways in the future. It's your man, Jay Will. I'll see you guys in the next video.